Hello children, let's start our lesson. Look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? Is it a fairy tale or a fable? Yes, you are right. It is a fairy tale. The fairy tale is a type of literature. Module 6. Reading for pleasure. The theme of our lesson is types of literature. Fiction refers to plot, settings, and characters created from the imagination. Example, a book about a cat that talks, a cartoon on TV. Non-fiction refers to factual stories that are based on real people and true events. Example, a book about animal life, cycle, a documentary on TV. Open books on page 75. Exercise 1. Look at the pictures, listen and repeat.
Action and adventure. Articles in newspapers. Articles in magazines. Biography. Fable. Fairy tale. Horror. Legend. Mystery and suspense. Science fiction.
Exercise 2. Look at some books in school library or at your house. Which are fiction, which are non-fiction? Write the types of literature in the correct column. Fiction, non-fiction, fairy tale, action and adventure, mystery and suspense, horror, fables, legends. Non-fiction, biography, articles in newspapers, magazines. The next task, children, let's work with Quizlet platform. Now children, let's work with cards.
Action adventure film. A film with lots of adventures and exciting events and activities. Fairy tale. A children's story about magical and imaginary beings and lands. Science fiction film. Movie that uses imaginative scientific knowledge, often about the future. Biography. Story of a person's life written by another person. Mystery and suspense. A story in which a crime or puzzle must be solved. Horror film. A movie about ghosts, monsters, or other creatures that scare you. Articles in newspapers, magazines. Quotation marks. Fables. Short stories that teach the reader lessons about life or give advice on how to live. Legends. A story about mythical or supernatural creatures or events, or a story coming down from the past.
Okay. Now the next part. This is the meaning of the types of literature. Let's choose one of the variants.
Short stories that teach the reader lessons about life or give advice on how to live.
Now, children, let's review vocabulary.
Story of a person's life written by another person. Biography.
Right or wrong?
A story about mythical or supernatural creatures or events, or a story coming down from the past. Legend.
Right or wrong? Of course, right.
Quotation marks.
Quotation marks.
Movie that uses imaginative scientific knowledge, often about the future.
A children's story about magical and imaginary beings and lands. Fairy tale. A movie about ghosts, monsters, or other not real creatures that scare you. Horror film. Okay. Now children, answer the questions. What is a type of literature? Fable. What is a type of literature? Fairy tale. Yes, you are right. What is a type of literature? Mystery and suspense. What is a type of literature? Action and adventure. What is a type of literature? Horror. Yes, you are right. What is a type of literature? Biography. Now let's write reflection. It is called a minute paper. 3 words from the lesson, 2 adjectives from the lesson, 1 activity from the lesson you like best. Thank you.